Another thing guys, which is that I feel like the background is still kinda empty, so I want to add more details into it. There is another picture that you will find inside the resources folder. Shift A, images as plain, and I will go to the resources folder, and there is this mountain. It is also another picture of a mountain that we will try to put it really also far in the background. I will go to the top view and just try to rotate those mountains in the same direction of our camera. Maybe something like this. I will scale it a little bit up and I will put them behind the dunes. They're not visible right now because I need to bring them a little bit up. So I'll maybe put them right here and just duplicate them a bunch. So Shift D, let's put the other one right here. Shift D, let's get back to the camera view. 7, Shift D another time. D, maybe put it behind 0. Yeah, that's looking nice. And one last one. Shift D, not one last one, actually 2, Shift D, and just put it right here. Shift D and put it right here. Make sure to select one of those mountains. Let's add curves to it. Curves, RGB curves, I will put it right here and just bring the contrast up. Also, let's go to the red channel and add some red to it, and go to the green and go to the blue actually and remove a little bit of it. So we basically try to make it look kinda similar color to the rest. And that's it basically for this video. We added a lot of background elements to fill the background. And in the next video, we will add more atmospheric depth using some other planes. And yeah, and after that, the scene will be ready to go.